YouTube stream and see what it says over there. Might be lagging. Black screen. Black screen. Maybe it's going to be. Come on now. I'm going to refresh the chat. Oh, there it is. There's the chat. There's the chat. $40 incoming. JB, let's get it. Then back down to 38. Never, JB. We're going to $40 this morning, and we're holding $40, man. Sitting at $38.22 right now. AMC. Beautiful day today. AMC is looking very good. Shiba Inu sitting at 69.02. Prague up a little bit, but still down from where I bought in at. Sitting at 313. And Tesla pulling back 2.76% right now, down just a little bit. Woo, thank goodness. Rob, that's what I'm saying, man. We are here. Good morning, Cassie. How you doing? What's up, what's up, what's up? Alfredo, how you doing, man? How's it going, Clay? Ryan, going great. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Alicia. Alicia calls, Alicia, I'm not your father, but I don't mind being called. Okay, never mind. Julie Miller, good morning to you, Julie. Give us a chip, bro. Nick, we needed chip, bro, don't we? Don't we? Chip, bro did not come in this morning, so hopefully he's having a good day, and he comes in this afternoon. What's up, Clay? Yak Marine, how you doing, man? Good afternoon, me, and good morning to you. Live it smart. Good afternoon to you, and good morning to me. Naomi, aloha kakihiyaka from Fairbanks, Alaska. Aloha kako, Naomi. How's your morning going? Click, check AVIS. It's going insane. Boom! We got to see what's going insane this morning. AVIS is blowing up. What do we have here? Oh, move that over. Lagging. YouTube. Weeble is lagging. What are we going to do? Oh, man. All right, well, we'll check AVIS in 2 seconds when that loads. Car's up. Is car up 125%? It's wrenching time. Yeah, technically we could do a wrench right now if you guys wanted to. Good morning, Clay and fellow apes. Car is a snippet of AMC, is a snippet of what AMC is capable of. If fundamentals continue to be positive, squeezing these shorts. Oh, yes. All right, let's see. AVIS. Boom. AVIS car stock. That's what we got. It's ripping this morning. If it ever loads, we will see it here in a second. Avis Budget Group, rental car companies. What do? They sign another 100,000 car agreement with Tesla, or what's going on? 127%. Look at this daily chart. Oh my gosh. Ripped up to $545 today. What on earth? Why the shares are rising? Somebody just give me a headline that tells me why. Existing share repurchase authorization. I highly doubt that it would increase it that much just on that. Beats EPS. Okay, so they had good earnings. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Let me know. I can't read through all these articles right now, but let me know if, like, what the deal is. Why Avis is running so much. Did they just beat earnings, and that's what we got going on here, or is it something else? Counselor Murray, are we cooking yet? Counselor Murray, man, thank you very much for the super chat. We are definitely cooking, Counselor Murray. Sitting at $38 per share on AMC. Beautiful time in the kitchen this morning. Heck yes, Counselor Murray. All right, killed it on JSMY early this morning. Christopher, very nice. Your thoughts on Sheba? I think that Sheba is going to perform very nicely both short-term and long-term. I think that long-term, it's got better potential to go to prices like a penny and so on. Short-term, definitely not going to happen with the supply, but short-term, we could still see some beautiful percentage gains. Let's see. Yeah, let's go. Where wrench? I was right. Marine Corps Brett. It wasn't a perma wrench. You were just first in all the live streams and the videos. Speaking of a wrench, let's do it real quick. Spam the chat really quick. Give me like 15 seconds of... well, hold on. Now I gotta reload this. Maybe. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience... no, you will. You can see it, right? I think I gotta reload this. Hold on. YouTube chat's not working. Kraken listen SHIB. Lex, that's the word on the street, man. Kraken is supposed to be listing Shiba Inu today. They're supposed to be listing it today. That is not like a rumor. That is what Kraken was saying on their own Twitter page. And I have no... Guys, am I lagging for you? It seems like YouTube is not liking the quality of the stream right now. I don't know. I mean, maybe I might be lagging for you guys. I don't know if I am or not. But all right, we got some spam coming in here. Let's get these wrenches going and see who gets it for the day. And let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we... Did it open one? Did it open one? I have no idea who this is going to be. Where's my cursor? All right, no idea who won it. We'll find out who got the wrench, though. We'll find out who got the wrench, and let's see. Thank you guys for spamming. Thank you guys for playing. Let's see who's got the wrench on this beautiful Taco Tuesday. Jonathan, J Bones, Lex, J Bones, Frank. Frank's always first in the live stream. I don't know how he does it, man. Mr. Simon with the wrench today. Oh my goodness. Mr. Simon, congratulations to you. Very nice, dude. Well deserved. Well deserved wrenching this morning. I like it. Thank you guys very much for spamming. Mr. Simon grabbed the wrench this morning. Make it early to the afternoon live stream. We'll be getting another wrench away for the afternoon live stream. So make sure to come at exactly like 3:15. Keep pumping AMC because my uncle is lukewarm. I like dips in and out of the stock market and says the short squeeze is over. My belly laughs at me when I say AMC 25,000. Davis. Yeah, I don't know if AMC will reach 25,000. Everybody would have to hold off for a very long time to see that. But, dude, the short squeeze is not over, man. If you want to belly laugh at your uncle back again, you can just tell him that the shorts have not covered, man. There's still the same amount of shorts outstanding. It's just taking longer than a lot of people had anticipated in the beginning. And these prices, although the 25,000 is possible, that 25,000 is not going to be super simple to reach because everybody holding AMC has to wait that long before they start selling their positions. So, do we see it? Do we not see it? Not exactly sure what happens, but it is definitely possible. Yo, Ranch Goose Bro. I like that name, man. Bro in it. Keep going, man. Very nice. Congrats, Simon. Heck yeah. JB. Dude, JB's a savage, man. JB, I think JB actually lives like 3 or 4 seconds in the future. That's the only explanation I can come across that he is able to win every single video at 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. That's the only explanation I got, is he lives like 2 or 3 seconds in the future. Not exactly sure what else that would benefit him on other than liking these videos, but yeah, man, he's just crazy. Always first on the videos. He's probably going to have a perma wrench because of it. Clay bro, what's, let's see. Anyway, oh man, hold on. The chat just froze. What's going on here? Give me 2 seconds, guys. Looks like it's frozen. Am I frozen? I might be frozen. I don't know if I'm frozen. Anyway, all right, now it's moving. Simon with the wrench. Yes, Nick, Simon won the wrench this morning. Man, a lucky wrench giveaway in the first 5 minutes of the live stream. Congratulations to Simon on that. I don't think my comments are getting through. I'm on YouTube. Davey, I do see your comments, man. Perma wrench. Well, dude, I mean, if you're first on everything, there's no way you can even lose. Frank, I'm not a blue wrench anymore. Marine Corps Brad, it's going to be okay. I promise, Marine Corps Brad, it'll be good. I'll give up my wrench for a Chip Bro hoodie. Yeah, that would be a pretty good trade-off in my opinion. I think it would be good. Is Robinhood going to add Sheba? What's new with that? So Fritz, actually there's no news directly from Yahoo, directly from Robinhood at this point about whether or not they're going to be listing it. There never was, but as far as we know, that both parties, Robinhood and Sheba, would benefit from a Robinhood listing. So why they're not doing it, I don't know. I have no idea why they are not trying to benefit themselves and get Sheba listed on their platform. Clay Daddy is so not a tech guy. I love how glitchy he is. Ooh, Alicia, yes. Yeah, I'm not a tech guy. It's alright. What am I doing, man? I'm streaming on a 2010 Samsung laptop. Just goes to show you guys, if you put your mind to it, you can do it. If you put your back into it, well, that's a different story, but you can still do it. Kraken announced they're listing Shiba today, I believe. Luan Nugent, yes. They did announce that yesterday. I was scrolling through their tweets this morning. Hadn't seen anything about it this morning, but they did announce it yesterday that they would be listing it. See Burger King giving out Doge. Yeah, I actually tried to load that article, and it wouldn't load on my phone, so I didn't know what was going on with that article, but yes, I did see that article you sent. Did not load on my phone for some reason, so I don't know the exact stipulations to it, but shoot, anybody want to go get a Whopper and grab some Doge along the way? I said we go for it, man. They should be giving out Sheba, but let's do it. Does a Chip Bro hoodie have ears? No. No. A Chip Bro hoodie does not have ears. You have to use your own ears for the Chip Bro hoodie. The more they wait, AMC is going to go to 6 digits. Yeah, trade day. That's what I'm saying. I don't know why they're waiting to cover. I mean, I guess I can logically understand why they don't want to cover it $38 per share because they believe it's worth less than that. But if they think we're going somewhere, I think that they're like sorely mistaken in that. And that part I don't understand. That part like proves to me that they don't spend as much time in our communities as a lot of people claim that they are. Like, oh, they're watching our live streams right now. If they were, I don't think that they would be inclined to think that we're giving up and leaving. A tail? Oh, unfortunately, it does not have a tail either. Darn it, man. This Chip Bro hoodie sounds kind of lame. Joe DeJesus Clay, Ethereum at an all-time high. Yeah, Ethereum is actually, I was reading some articles, Ethereum's being driven higher by Shiba Inu Coin. So it's actually being driven higher by that too. So it's working out for everybody right now, man. Shiba just making everything again. Good morning, Clay. AMC Trapper, man. You gotta message me on Twitter, man. I need to know your shirt size and stuff so I can get that thing out to you. Let's go, Sheba Army Simple Cookings. Let's get it. What broker is Burger King working with? I think Robinhood, JB. I think Robinhood. AMC to the moon. Let's go, Cassie. Let's get it. AMC back up to $38 per share. Did Kraken get in today on Sheba? Kraken is supposed to. I do not see that it is currently listed on Kraken, but they're supposed to have it listed today. And Davey Crockett, thank you very much for the super chat. Davey Crockett says, let's go Sheba. Let's go Sheba. Let's go Sheba. Davey Crockett, thank you very much for the super chat. Let's go Sheba. Let's go. Sheba currently sitting at what, 6,800, 6,874 per coin right now. And all good things ahead. We're going to sit here and test this support level at 68, 6,900 again and see if we bounce off of it and rip higher, which I absolutely hope we do. Clay Inu. Yeah, dude, we should make a Clay. You could just like tack on Inu to the end of anything. And I should make my name Clay Bro Inu. And then people would be, oh my gosh, let's subscribe to his channel. He's got Inu. Clay Inu all the way, man. You tag Inu on the end of anything and you're doing great. Yes, Burger King is with Robinhood. So the question remains, guys. Do we boycott Burger King now because they're working with Robinhood? Or do we just go get some free Dogecoin or whatever the giveaway is? Buy a Whopper, get some Doge. We need to know. What do we do? Grandpa Barney! Thank you very much for the super chat. Good morning, my family. I bought it on Loop Ring. Wish I knew about it. Yeah, dude, I wish I knew about Avis too. Making money and moving to my family cause. Love you all. Family cause, aka AMC, baby. Have an exit plan, breathe, and have fun. Excellent advice there, Grandpa Barney. And thank you very much for the super chat. That is the plan, guys. That is the plan. Breathe, have fun, and make as much money as possible when it comes to the beautiful thing we call a stock market that just provides us with these endless gains. Crypto, stocks, always going up. Anybody actually in Avis this morning? I mean, I guess you could have gotten in late, but anybody in Avis? I am not. Clearly, I would have liked to have partaken in $100 to $500 per share gains, but I am not in it. Wonder if anybody else out there is in it. Dogelon Mars is the next Squid Games token. Tony, Squid Games token. Does anybody know? Like, I understand what happened, but I don't understand how they did it. There's 363 people in here who are probably smarter than me. And could one of you briefly, because like the chat, I mean, it's difficult to read paragraphs. Could anybody in here briefly explain how the Squid Games token like was locked up and dropped to zero that fast? And don't tell me like the developers pulled the rug on it or anything like that, because like I understand that, like I don't understand how they do that. I understand that's what they did. Caroline, no, don't do it. Caroline got deleted. I knew it was going to happen. Does anybody understand how they did that or like what the mechanics were? Because that's the part I don't understand. I understand like it was a rug pulled and all that nonsense, but I don't get how you do that. Like, how do you keep somebody from selling it, and how do you put it back down to zero and all that good stuff? It'll definitely be a huge bump in Shiba tonight. Daniel, I sure hope so, man. Ooh, Denny, man. I don't want to miss Denny's super chatter. Denny might go out rage buying AMC again. Critical error. Robinhood not taking advantage. Denny Oliver, 100% guaranteed. Robinhood should definitely be taking advantage. Robinhood, I don't understand if they all went and bonked their heads or what's going on with Robinhood this year. They did good on Doge, but then they're dropping the ball everywhere else, and it's just, in my opinion, it's killing them. Robinhood is not taking advantage of things like they should be taking advantage of them. Don't spam or get squirt gunned. Boom, boom, boom. Yes, you're gonna get squirt gunned if you spam. What's up, Claire, bro? Elias, how you doing? I just pulled the code from the cert. John, you may be right, man, but like that, I don't know. You can't answer my question with a question because I don't know. Needed the marbles to be able to sell Squid token. You had to either pay for marbles or win the game. Okay, so you needed marbles to sell the Squid token, but you couldn't even play the game? Is that what it was? Can I lock in to earn interest on my Shiba on Coinbase? Not exactly sure. Beanie Weenie Meanie? Somebody help Beanie Weenie Mimi. Please don't spam the chat. Please keep comments respectful. Yes. She'll be taking off at 3 p.m. Pacific time. Oliver, let's get it. Yes, explain rug pull. Did Kraken list yet? I don't think Kraken listed yet. Marine Corps Brad says, rip the wrench. It'll come back, Marine Corps Brad. Don't worry. Robinhood has like 6 cryptos. They need more. 3 p.m. Let's get it. West side or wrong side? Cleveland. Spartaco. One of them, man. Yeah, I think it's tax purposes. Why they aren't listing it? Well, dude. It could be, but they would be making a lot of money. Even if they have to pay taxes on it, they would be making a lot of money if people were over there trading Shiba right now. Would it be more advantageous for everyone if Robinhood waits a bit to list taxes and help pump up when the time is right? Jeremy, I think the time's right now, man. Everybody's talking about it right now. I think the time is now. Apparently, there was some sort of thing in the small details about not being able to sell in a volatility type situation, but obviously that doesn't apply to the man behind the wall who sold. Clearly, I wouldn't be the man behind the wall. So you needed marbles, right? It was like 5,000 to enter the game. My God. So you had to pay a lot of money either way. I'm not sure how it crashed at the end, though. Interesting. Okay. So because of the coin price, you had to pay like $5,000 to enter this game, which was basically a gamble at that point. And then maybe nobody wanted to enter the game, so they all just tried to sell their coin. Well, they couldn't sell their coins, right? You couldn't sell their coins. See, that's the confusing thing to me, man. It's like, was there literally a person there pushing the down button on the price, driving it back down lower? Or because if you can't sell it, there's no transactions. So how's it going any lower? That's the thing. I probably should have. I think even if I would have read more about Squid Coin, I would have still been confused because. Like, it just, something sounds off to me, and it's got me wondering. And I didn't know if any of you guys knew about it, because I'm like, I don't get this. If you wanted to buy, if you wanted to just buy the marbles, it costs, oh my God. Ooh. Okay, well, that makes me want to cry a little bit, but JB, what if you got in early? What if you got in early and you were sitting on like $1 million worth of... This is interesting, guys. This is because I want to be able to, spot these things if possible before another coin is like, well, you're gonna get scammed. What if you were sitting on like $1 million worth of Squid tokens or whatever, and you wanted to buy the marbles for 60 grand? Could you buy the marbles for 60 grand and then sell your token, or was it something completely different? Watch the show, man. That's what happened. One person won and got all the money, and the rest of the people died, or at least their profit and loss did. Dang it, Devil's Advocate. That's actually one of the best answers I've ever seen. It just so happened that the guy that won is probably the guy that created Squid Coin, and not one of the players. Why haven't they fixed the Shiba market cap glitch yet? That's happening as it was running is a little... Yeah, Nick response, man. I actually agree with that. I don't understand what these companies are doing. And a part of me thinks that they just don't care about anything, I mean, you guys work for a company, right? Is some companies might be like, we gotta get this fixed, we gotta get this fixed. But then a part of me is like, these guys just don't care about anything. And I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what it seems like to me when something as big as like that glitch comes out and then nobody seems to rectify it. It's very weird to me. Dogecoin is jump and crashing. With Shima seems like it. Riptide Redemption and Pancakes are very... Pancakes got a shirt from Riptide Redemption yesterday. Congratulations, Pancakes. Absolutely amazing. Pam, you got to message me back on Twitter, though. I sent you a message this morning before the live. Need to make sure you study the white papers before Pancakes swapping for an altcoin. Unless, of course, you're really okay with just taking a 100% risk on your money. I guess if you're out there and you like studying the white paper is not worth the $5 in the coin that you want to buy, okay, but that is good advice. If you expect to invest $8,000 into a coin like Sheba that just came out, expecting to make $5 billion over the next year, I would suggest definitely reading the white papers and see what's going on. What if Kenny did this squid move because he's angry about losing the short squeeze? That would be, I would have to clap my hands. I would have to applaud him if he did that. PM Righteous. If Kenny got back at the bunch of idiot kids that are shorting him out of, or that are buying him out of AMC by creating a Squid Games coin, the only thing that would have been like a better dagger in the back for me is if you would have done it with an ape coin. That would have been a pretty good move on Kenny's part there. That would have been pretty devious, man. But if he did that, dude's playing dirty. Dude is playing dirty. That should just rile us up all even more to hold AMC and squeeze the snot out of that guy. Space is a scam. Gasoline is a scam, man. Nobody needs gasoline these days. Good morning, Clay and everybody. John, good morning to you. Thoughts on Suzuki, my friend? Like, Suzuki? Or is there a Suzuki coin? Like, Suzuki bikes are pretty nice. All right, let's see. Options update. Frank, thank you very much. $40 up from 8.2 thousand to 24,000. My goodness, that's a nice rise. 37 from 3.1 to 10.6. 45. Join the list, going from 400 to 18,500. People are playing options again. You know what that means? People are getting interested in AMC. They're playing some options, and let's see it happen. Grandpa Barney, thank you very much for the super chat. Could you imagine Grandpa not caring about fixing broken stuff at my job? Clay would be a black screen. 100%, 100%. And Grandpa Barney, I don't know the people that you work with, but imagine if you just worked with a bunch of people who did not care. I feel like a dude like you that sits out there, works crazy overtime, seems extremely passionate about what they do. You know, you're different, okay? And there are probably people that are different in here like that and really self-motivated and ready to go and get the job done. But yeah, dude, could you imagine, like, if you were like, nah, you know what, dude? I'm gonna chill out today. Those telephone lines, those telephone wires, those telephone poles, and power lines, they can wait another day. Yeah, dude, that's basically what I see a lot of these days. Grandpa Barney, we love doing you. Yes, Grandpa Barney loves you doing your job. We love you doing your job, Grandpa Barney. We do. Clay bro, you think Sheba can hit a penny? Andre the Jagger, yes, I do, but not short term, man. I definitely don't see it hitting a penny short term. Longer term, if everybody stays on board, then yes, I do. Sheba verse to Andromeda. Let's go. What do you think about a Sheba target? So Shubi, short term, I say we bust a zero. Okay. Longer term, I say we bust all the zeros. Andre and knee high sight. What? Andre and knee high salni. Nihai Salni. Okay. Suzuki is a gaming and NFT token and next Shiba. Suzuki, gotcha. Suzuki's name is pumping Suzuki in here. Very good, man. I did not know it was a gaming token. Hey, you guys can go check that out if you want. AMC, Tesla, Kraken, and Robinhood. A few more ingredients to bring Shiba Inu to eternal greatness. Go Shiba Army. Daniel, let's get it. SHIB pump on its way. Here's to Marsing. Steady support. Heavy cool. Hello, my friend. Lucy! What's going on, Lucy? How are you? You having a good day today? I'm so glad you're in here, Lucy. AMC is top left. Yes, AMC is top left, guys. Sorry, it's very, very small to see the little AMC right here. Sheba is sitting here. Prague, my crap fill at 350, is in the red right now, sitting at 311. Tesla down a little bit today, 2.5%, down $30 on the day, 11.78 for Tesla down here in the bottom right. Hard to see, but we don't need to see the Tesla graph. You guys can see the price right here if you want. All right, let's see what we got. Did you hear about the Squid Games coin? Yes, today, definitely. Not good news for that. Hello, I have a question. Was AMC Short Squeeze, 29% short interest? Cloud, as far as I know, it was not a short squeeze, okay? As far as I know, Avis was, like, outshined earnings expectations. So that's what I know based on the headlines that I saw. I did not read all the articles, but I scrolled through the headlines, and that's what I gathered from that. Shiba Pump, it's been going down all day. What site y'all on? This is Webull right here. And, ooh, you know what I should do? I should just post that Webull link in here before it gets ridiculous. In case you guys want to use the Webull link, it's in the description below, and it will soon be above the chat. So, look out for that in a second here. Copy that bad boy. Nope, not copy all of that. I'm not posting 2 paragraphs in the chat for you guys. That would be annoying. Okay, copy that, my friend. And then, let's see here. Free SHIB on Wib. Actually, Webull. Alright. Free SHIB on Wib. Good deal. Let's see what we got. 604 in the chat. Thank you guys very much for being in here. Clay, if you look at the Prague daily candles, the last time we had a few red in a row, we had a big green that engulfed the previous red ones. If you look close, the green one is deeper. That red before it is deeper than the red one before it. So who knows, today could change fast. Yeah, no, I agree, man. I agree. The daily pattern. I remember Prague's daily pattern chart very well, dude. You rise up, you steady off, fall back down a little. You rise up, steady off, fall back down a little bit. You rise up. Yeah, dude, we could be sitting on a 40-50% gain pretty quick here on Prague. I'm not worried at all, man. Not worried at all about Prague's gains, dude. I know the chart, and I feel comfortable with the Prague chart. Let's see what we got going on. I need to find this so I can pin it. Pin it, pin it, pin it. Dude, how bad am I that I pin my own messages? What a loser, pinning his own messages. Alright, I did it anyway. Let's see, do you follow the moving average on YouTube? He posted an interesting video with a price prediction on Shiba. He talks about the 3 big pumps Doge had compared to Shiba. No. So I'm not subscribed to him. I did see his... you know how YouTube autoplays some of your video? I was scrolling through and looking at the Shiba videos this morning. I did see his, let it play for a minute, and then moved on. But I did not watch the whole thing. But I did see that he was posting this morning on that. Or I didn't see that he posted this morning on it. I saw that he had one this morning on that. Okay, I just replied back to you on Twitter. Nice, pancakes. Thank you very much. Do you think Belgium is a No, I do not. I'm in it for the long haul. Davy Crockett, me too, man. Me too. I may take advantage of some price swings in Shiba, but as far as like long term, I think the long term potential is just incredible for Shiba. We got a nice little decline right now. It looks big on the chart, guys, but it's only about 50 points right here. 68.35 down to 67 right now, 67.90. Just a nice little pink line, nothing to worry about. These are minute charts. Pinning his own message. Psh, Clear's that kind of dude. He gives himself a high five. Shoot, man, you thought I was clapping, but I was high-fiving myself. You know it, Devil's Advocate. Don't before the pump from Kraken. Could possibly be. It could possibly be. Listen, I'm optimistic about Shiba. I'm optimistic about AMC. I'm optimistic about Prague, too, now that I'm in it. But Prague has just been performing phenomenally. And then you know what I want to do? I want to put Farmy over here for Tesla. Is anybody opposed to me putting Farmy over here on the screen as opposed to Tesla? Sitting on some Farmy too, but it's really just been sitting sideways and coming back down a little bit over the last like 2 or 3 days. Farmy, if you guys want some day trading, I don't know, pattern spotting. Farmy, and you guys can go back and look at this if you got it on your Webull. Farmy performs exceptionally well at 4 a.m. for about 10 minutes. and then falls off like all day, and then performs well after hours. Exceptionally well at 4 a.m., falls off throughout the day, and well after hours. If you want like a very recognizable pattern, man, Farming loves doing that. Clay like Sheba, I hadn't noticed. You had to notice. Come on now. Who is Sheba would move the zeros to the other side? Dude, Frank, if Sheba moved the zeros to the other side, what the heck? What the? We would be doing very, very well, my friend. Very well. Clay bro, I have a question. Alex, can I have an answer regarding Sheba? Because in the Renaissance stream, period line declining. What? Do you think that just like AMC, the pointer poink? Alex, I'm not the pointer poink. Alex, rephrase the question, man. Because I don't even know what pointer's pointing is. That sounds like something never mind. I think Sheba is done for a while. Always moves. I don't think it's done for a while. I think it may cool off, right? Let's pull out. Let me actually just show you something. Let me pull this out for you. Last time I said that, it didn't work out very well. Let's see here. Sheba. Let's go to the daily chart. No, let's go 4-hour chart. I'll show you guys the 4-hour chart. No, let's go daily. Don't like that one. So, we had a nice pump up at the beginning of October, okay? Ran up very nicely. Steadied off for about 2 weeks. Ran up very nicely. We may steady off for a while, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with steadying off either, because guess what that could lead to? Not what it is guaranteed to lead to, but it could lead to, dude, I mean, kindergartners could recognize the pattern if there is one. Boom, even higher. If everybody gets scared, if everybody says, oh, Squid Games is going to happen with Sheba, then we could fall back down to here, okay? I'm going to be honest. We could. If you don't get scared, we could, boom, absolutely rip higher. So, happened here, steadied off. Happened here, steadied off. Could absolutely happen again, even though we may steady off for a while. Please do not get upset if Sheba pulls back a little bit. Same deal with AMC. CoinMarketCap making themselves look real bad. Yeah, JG. It's kind of weird, isn't it? I don't understand why people are doing this these days. Drew, I'm telling you, man. You finally see it. Hey, finally see you live, buddy. Satex! Hip-hop is life, man. Thank you very much for being in here. Thoughts on what happened with Squid Coin? Ethan, we tried to discuss that a minute ago. I don't exactly know how they did it, but that was definitely, in my opinion, a scam from the start. Neither Sheba or Doge are done. Arrow, 100% agree. Yeah, that's not bad. Works that way as well. Drew Smith, nice, man. Avis beat earnings, and they are pretty much about to follow Hertz and invest in electric vehicles for the rentals. Nice. I read the articles this morning. I wonder about that. If I were to rent a car, and what are your guys' thoughts on this real quick too? Because I've never driven an electric car, okay? There's some dumb Ohio boy sitting here, never driven an electric car. If I were to go to a rental car place and rent an electric car, one, I wouldn't even know how to charge it. And two, I wouldn't even know where to charge it. And three, I feel like I would be much more inclined to rent a gasoline-powered vehicle as opposed to an electric-powered vehicle because I would just feel so uncomfortable not knowing how to do anything with that. So I hope these rental car companies don't go all electric, man. And I'm going to be a little uneasy for a while with all this. Click! Check out my previous message. I require your knowledge. Knowledge being transferred. Devil's advocate. You can predict going forward from each... Oh, serious question. Okay, serious answer. Been a while since I said that. Yes, it has. People say that Prague is a picture-perfect example of following the fettuccine retracement. At some point, can you explain that and what you can predict going forward from each of those levels? Yeah, man, we can look at that a little later if you want. I don't use the fettuccine retracements or the Fibonacci retracements as often as some other people do. So basically, you go from a bottom and to the top, okay? And then we can pull it up on a graph in a minute here, but in a nutshell, you take its lowest point, you put it to the top, and then it should be retracing to those levels. I don't know off the top of my head how far back those levels are. They're like 30% and so on. They're the fettuccine retracement levels, but it's basically like support and resistance levels that you can determine before they happen. I tend not to use that too often, so I'm not like 100% familiar with all the ways that you can use it, and then the exact measurements of it, like how far of a retracement it is. But it basically shows you support and resistance levels before they happen. So if it's going to retrace back down 17% or whatever it is, that would be a support level that you could see if you do get a retracement. I love fettuccine. It's the best, isn't it? Especially on retracements. AMC still on the rise. AMC looking very good today. Sitting at $38 flat right now. Hopefully 38 is the new support, and we're testing 40 by the, I would like end of the day, but shoot, even end of the week would be amazing. If we had another battle for 40, we said goodbye to the 30s forever, that would be amazing. Fibonacci levels are much more, yes, burn Shiba Army. Fibonacci levels are much more important than the fettuccine and Fibonacci levels. IDEX, Met, and Safe Moon. There you go, Rich. Fettuccine. Love it, man. Yeah, fettuccine retracement levels. Those are like the Fibonacci's, just better. Thank you for your candor. I appreciate the honesty about what you know and what you don't. Devil's Advocate. What is this? Straight out of Divergent, man? Thank you for your candor. Appreciate that. I thank you for your candor, too. Dauntless. Come on now. Where do you think Shiba is going? I'm Mio Estevez. Like right now, I think Shiba could be pulling back a little bit. We do have support at 6,500. If we can continue this decline right here, we do have support at 6,500 per share per coin. And if we bounce off of it, we know we might be trending back and forth between that 6,500 and 7,000 point level per coin. Do you think Shiboshis will remove 70% of SHIB's coins supply? Because if they keep making, more people will want to own them and making more Shiba burn. Roger, I don't exactly know what level it's going to drop the Shiba supply to, but I do think, like, referencing the 70%, I don't know if that's going to be the answer, but I do think that we're going to see a drastic decrease in Shiba Inu coin supply over the future of the coin. I think that's one of the main objectives by Shiba holders is to burn the supply. On a month predictions for AMC, end of month, dang, that's far out, man. End of month, I would love to be back above $48, $50 by the end of the month. That would put us in territory to test that $55 to $60 level of resistance that is going to be absolutely paramount. First of all, that's my girlfriend's favorite movie, and I honestly had no idea I was quoting it. Second of all, candor was a much better choice than anything else, so yes. How you know about Divergent, man? Come on. Yeah, there you go. Your girlfriend's got good taste in movies, dude. I've seen Divergent plenty of times. You know what I thought about doing? Burn Shiba Army. Look at this, dude. Look at this. Here's what I thought about doing. Oh, gotcha. Burn Shiba Army. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that super sticker. But I don't know like YouTube's problem with showing things on screen. Like, I've got sparklers, and I would love to, you know, light them and do what this little dude is doing here. I think that is absolutely well deserved, that super sticker. But I don't know if you have like fire on screen, if YouTube has a problem with that, because they have a problem with, like, you know, weapons, and I don't want people to get all upset if I do it. So I got to read up a little bit better on the rules there for live streaming with live fire or whatever. But man, that is the perfect super sticker. I was waiting for somebody to send that again because I got these sparklers right here, and I would absolutely love to do it for that super sticker. But burn Shiba Army, thank you very much for that. Man, I appreciate it. I just don't want YouTube to get upset because, you know, if you like show knives or any sort of weapon on screen, they don't like it. And I don't need YouTube not liking me. But, dude, I'm ready. If I can read up on it, that would be amazing. Shiba down or wait? Alessio, We've got support at 6,500. If we fall through that, support is at 6,000 again, and we may be testing the waters between 6,500 and 7,000 points per coin. Why do you keep ignoring my questions, Clipper? Alex! I promise I'm not ignoring your questions. I promise. Send it again if I didn't see it, man. Send it again. But, Burn Shiba Army. I didn't even do it, man. Burn Sheba. Thank you very much. Or, no, it says, you're amazing. Burn Sheba Army. You're amazing. Could you just imagine if I had fire in my hands right now? You're amazing. Burn Sheba Army. Thank you very much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. Guys, we are burning Shiba Inu. Absolutely. Burn Sheba Army. You seriously are amazing. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. Why is it that listing on Kraken has made Shiba go down? Claybro is up, no longer up. Francis, I will let you in on a little secret, okay? Traders are very, very weird. Sometimes up is down and down is up. Sometimes people buy good news. Sometimes people buy bad news. Sometimes people sell good news and sometimes people sell bad news. You will find yourself in a situation guaranteed, just if you're in the market for any time, whether you're in crypto coins, just in regular currency, if you're in the stock market, you will find yourself baffled by things not making sense. And I'm going to tell you right now, you're just going to have to get over it. You're going to have to get over it, because if you try to find logic in what people are doing, it will drive you insane, okay? And this could be one of those times where we're talking about listing on Kraken. It's got validation. I mean, it brings so many good things to Shiba Inu coin, but the price is trending a little bit lower because of it. So I don't know if it's necessarily because of it. I would say in spite of it, right? It's trending a little lower despite being listed on Kraken today. Hey, Kleber, when I use the White Colombian in the morning, I always feel so down in the afternoon. Do you have any tips for me? No, dude. I've met plenty of white Colombians, and they all seem to be very nice people. So I would say that maybe you just have a bad friend. Who actually hates everyone named Alex, and it has to do with his past, and he's kind of sensitive about it. He actually told me when I got my wrench to block all Alexes, but I changed his mind. I thought that was a private conversation, man, but now all the Alexes know that it's just bad news to be named Alex. Hi, Claybro. We'll rephrase the question. Boom. Crypto Racketeer. Good. The Van Gogh line analysis in countries northern of France are often, just like AMC or Sheba, are declining interest from the audience. For example, Texas. Crypto Racketeer. Is that a yes or no question? Can I just answer yes to that and move on? Or does that make sense if I answer yes? The Van Gogh line analysis in countries in northern France are often, just like AMC or Sheba, are declining interest from the audience, for example. I don't even know if that's a question. I don't understand. I have no idea how to respond to that, man. When is it being listed on Kraken? I don't know the exact time, GE, but yesterday Kraken said that it should be listed today. So if you're looking for an exact time, I do not have one, but I'm hoping that it is sometime, I don't know, before nightfall, when we can actually talk about it. Thoughts on Ryoshi Vision Token? I do not have any thoughts on Ryoshi Vision Token. What is that one about? Hey, Clay, I won a t-shirt last night. Tried to message you on Twitter, but couldn't. My T is 1117 Chris. Also message you on Insta. Chris, did I not follow you on Twitter? Because I checked my messages this morning. I didn't have any messages from anybody else. Did you message me, or you tried to and said you tried to and couldn't, or you did? Oh, Chris, tag me in something and let me follow you. You couldn't message me because I didn't follow you back. I'll follow you back, man. There's still several people out there that I didn't get in touch with. AMC Trapper is one of them. Joan De Jesus needs to get to me about what size he wants. Yeah, there's several people that I still need to get in touch with about winning the shirts yesterday. Clay, you are aware I was spamming for Alex. Dude, whether or not you were, that was still an excellent question because it left me wondering. If you ask a question that leaves me wondering, that's pretty good. Don't panic sell Shiba Inu. Definitely not panic selling Shiba Inu, man. Not panicking at this point. Maybe if it was back down to like 300 points per coin, I'd be panicking, but no, not at this point. They don't want Shiba to win, but winner. We know we wanted to win. Jeffrey Winslet, what do you expect? Like in life or with Shiba Inu coin? In reference to Shiba Inu coin being listed on Kraken just over the day? Well, be a little bit more specific because I expect a lot of things. Time to buy more. Shiba, let's go. Shiba Army. Shiba delete a 0. 1 cent Dream SHIB. SHIB deletes zeros. Robin SHIB. Release the SHIB Kraken. SHIB loves GameStop. Dang, Empower. I like all of those hashtags, man. That was really good. I used the fettuccine chart on AMC and it said for every penny I spend, I will return Titolini. Very nice. Riptide Redemption. Amazing, man. Amazing. You know your pasta, dude. That's what I'm talking about. Shiba Inu will go to the moon. 123J. Yes, I would say it is definitely already on its way. Flexing 219, $1.2 million flex. Boom, baby. Flexing on them. Shiba Inu coin, Jeffrey Winslet. What do I expect for Shiba Inu coin? So, short term, I expect to get rid of a 0. When? I have no idea. Short term. Long term, I expect nothing but good things. I expect it to perform relatively similar to Dogecoin in the fact that right now we're in the stages where Dogecoin was in when it was running to around 4, 5, 6 cents per coin. Everybody's like, can it sustain these levels? It ran up so fast it must fall back down. Is this a legit coin or what's going on here? And then over the next like 3, 4, 5 months, it absolutely rocketed up another 10x. So I expect it to be kind of like that. People are going to be a little bit nervous, and then we're going to see it go up. Time to buy more AMC and GME. Yes, now is as good a time as ever. Daniel, what is your source? Francis, Daniel, what did Daniel say? Daniel Wanton, Daniel Wanton. I don't see Daniel there anywhere. Breaking. Ethereum, Gimli just bought a lot of Sheba. Massive trade. Does he know something? Yeah, what is your source? Because $10 million in Sheba is a big move. 153 billion coins? A lot of coins, guys. A lot of coins. 153 billion. Klebro Inu, let's get it, man. Carlos, you say Klebro Inu out there, and people will definitely subscribe to the channel because everybody wants to get their hands on Inus. Speaking of Inus, if you want some free Shiba Inu and you use the link either in the description below for Webull or the link at the top of the chat, you're going to get at least $5 in free Shiba Inu coin if you trade at least $1 worth of crypto. And if you're international and you're wanting to buy it on another platform, you can use the international Binance link down in the description below. Just sent a message on Twitter, my info. Nice, AMC Trapper. Good deal, man. And then let me know, too, like what size and if you want a bro shirt, if you want a Shiba shirt, what kind of shirt you want. Cheers for the Weeble link, bro. It's Crikey. Cheers for everything you do, man. Thank you. Shiba dipping, don't sell. Definitely not selling. Clay, did you see that CEO tweet about finding actual naked shorts in their company this morning? I think it was ATER. Thoughts on this? Thoughts on if this news will trickle out to other stocks or be irrelevant? Devil's advocate. So I did not see the news on that. I probably should see the news on that. What were the naked, like, so he found naked shorts that were, or naked shares that were not reported as an FTD? So is that what we're saying? No worries. Whale games. Good deal, man. That's true. Deadpool Chad. Did not even see what Deadpool Chad said, man. SHIB said they don't even need Robinhood. That itself means they change views for meme coins to seriously interesting coin. P.S. Clay, you do an amazing job. I really like your style. Keep it up. Christian! Dude, I really like your style, man. Thank you for the positive feedback. That's awesome, dude. I retweeted it. I do want to look at it, Devil's Advocate. I do want to look at it because I want to know if it was stuff about FTDs, if it was like not including FTDs, or what the deal is. Prog to 100. I don't know if Prog's going to go to 100. Our in-house Prog expert is Devil's Advocate. Devil's Advocate, is Prog going to 100? Am I going to be really happy, or what's the deal? Am I just going to be happy? We need a coin with 1,000, 100, 1,000, million, billion, trillion, quadrillion, quintillion. What the heck is after quintillion? What's the 6? What's the 6th one? I don't even know what that is. One for all. I don't even know how to say that number. What's after a quintillion, man? I don't even know. I'm not going to lie to you. By the way, thanks for the Weeble link. Got my $5 at nice Lex Luthor. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, $5 in free Shiba Inu coin. Get it if you want. If you don't want it, you don't have to get it. But Lex Luthor, man, really appreciate you. Thank you very much. And that is going. There's 666 people in here. Somebody leave or invite a friend. Can't even go on. Somebody leave or invite a friend. That's bad. That's a weird number. Don't do it. Somebody leave or invite a friend. What's going on right here? 7:15. Okay, good. You guys invited a lot of friends. That's only going on until November 1st, okay? Unless they extend it again, because it was supposed to go through October 31st, and they extended it until November 5th, because a lot of people are very excited about Shiba Inu right now. A lot of people are taking advantage of it. They were sending me emails saying that they're extending it to November 5th. So you guys get 3 days to go grab at least $5 in free Shiba Inu coin if you want to do that. Sextillion. Gotcha. Christian, thank you very much. Sextillion, dude. Sextillion is after a quintillion. Just tell me what's next, too. Because I don't even, like, if that's, a quintillion is the highest I ever counted, so I don't know what comes after sextillion either. But you guys can let me know. A googillion? Andy, what's a googillion? How far is that, man? Clay, he made it a point to say it was illegal naked shorting. Well, illegal, any naked shorting is illegal naked shorting. But I guess there would be intent behind it to make it illegal, right? If you're going out there and it's your broker's fault that something doesn't go through, I guess that's okay. But illegal would be if you knew you were doing it. Octillion, nonillion, banana fana, fulfillion, Mickey so fine, Bebop, bobillion, Mickey. Top 4 cryptos according to you. Whoa, I got 4 cryptos in my portfolio. So this is not the top 4, but I do have Algorand, I have Shiba Inu, I have Raven Coin, and I have Zcash. I'll always have Zcash, guys. I think I'm going to sit on Zcash forever. Zcash was the first crypto coin that I ever mined, and I don't know if I'll ever sell Zcash. Even if it doesn't do anything, even if it goes up, I think Zcash is just like my introduction to cryptocurrency, and I can't get rid of it because me and Zcash are homeboys now. But those are the 4 I got. Clearly, I think that there could be some better ones out there, especially long-term project plays. But those are the 4 that I got, and you just said 4, so those are the 4 I'm going to say. Centillion. We got a centillion. Is that 7? I don't even know. Or is that 100? Dojalon took a nosedive. Yes, 11 on Simon. Some people are saying it could be the next Squid Games. He would have to have evidence, though, right? I thought part of the danger with naked shorts is you can't prove it, so it's big news or not. So, I don't know, man. I think if he's saying that, he would need evidence, because if he's just, like, out there exclaiming it, especially if he's saying somebody specific is doing it, and it turns out that they weren't doing it, then that could be slander. It could be some form of defamation. So I would be careful on his part. If he's got evidence and it is true, then he could say it, man. You could say anything you want about somebody if it's true. But if it's not true and he's out there claiming that somebody specific is doing it, then yeah, I would say that he probably should have evidence of it, because that's a dangerous accusation if not. Tam Lee, thank you very much for the super chat. Thanks for the ad on Twitter, Clay. Let's spin the wheel, and Shib is going way to the moon. Tam Lee, unfortunately, the trick-or-treat game was yesterday. We are not spinning today. Hopefully, you did not think that we were spinning today, and I'm just ruining and dashing your hopes of spinning the wheel right now. We could do games like that we could do Black Friday games, we could do Christmas games. If you guys like that, I had an absolute blast playing that game yesterday. We had a lot of winners, especially a lot of $5 winners, winning t-shirts for $5. So, Tam Lee, thank you very much for the super chat. Unfortunately, the wheel is not active today. Let's see here. Grandpa Barney with a super chat. Grandpa just doubled my money on Loop Ring. Heck yeah. AMC shares, baby. Just gave Grandma $1,000. Guess what happens when Grandma is happy? When Grandma is happy, Grandpa is happy. That's what I like, man. Grandma and Grandpa happy today. Good deal, Grandpa Barney. Killing it, man. I commented your name on it, so you don't gotta go looking for my retweet. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you very much, Devil's Advocate. Really appreciate you. Really appreciate everybody that's helping me out there. I like that. Man, the spamming bots today are crazy. Yes, they are. Come on, bots. Don't spam. What are you doing? We don't need any spam. Hey, Clever, the question I have regarding Shiba USD, will it go, just as AMC, be encrypted in countries as Belgium, or are those rumors a hoax? I did read it on Van Gogh Daily. Dude, I don't understand what this whole Belgium thing is and why people really like to say that. Anyone know what time Kraken is listing Sheba? Jeff, I do not know what time they're listing Sheba. They did say yesterday that it would be today, but they did not give a specific time. Maybe they're going to Robin Hood us. Maybe they're going to Robin Hood us and be like, ha 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 ha, tricked ya! Or maybe they're actually going to list it and be cool. Hey, Clay, Wells Fargo just bought 28,000 AMC shares. Raheem, very nice, man. Very nice. What's your 1 month target for Shiba? Ryan, my 1 month target for Shiba, that I don't know, man. I would, let's say we do consolidate over the next, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks. Very similar to the pattern we saw at the beginning of October. End of November then, I would love to be testing some all-time highs. Back up maybe into the 9,000 range. If we break the 8,800. And by the end of the year, I would love to drop a zero. What will you do once it erases the next zero? Lewis. I don't think, actually, man, it's a boring answer. I don't think I'm gonna do anything spectacular when it drops a zero. I think that I'm gonna continue living my life as normal, but I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna be happy when it drops a zero. I only have 2.3 million. That's okay. Nothing wrong with 2.3 million. Buy the dip and hold. Drew. Excellent, man. Hey, Clearbro, how's SHIB doing today? It's doing okay. Pulling back a little bit, like 6,800. I'm trying to buy and then close for long term. Price alerts are driving me crazy. Just picked up a billion safe moon for 23.24. Very nice, Jay. Yeah, Shiba Inu is sitting around 67.39 right now. Kind of been bouncing around the upper 6,000s all morning long. And I don't know, we might be entering that consolidation phase where it trades sideways, gives everybody another chance to jump in, grab some before it rips higher. Kraken is scheduled maintenance at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Shima. I wonder what that might mean. Could it mean that we are getting listed around 6 p.m. Eastern Time today? It'll be 12 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time for me. Seth, very nice. That's a good start, but continue. Oh, burn, Sheba, burn, Sheba, burn. I don't even know what the good start is. Use the 70-30 rule. Our support levels are more important than profits. Guys, the support levels are incredible when it comes to Sheba, guys. If we can maintain these levels here and people start to view, because listen, right now we got a lot of people who've been in Sheba for a minute and they view 6,800 or whatever we're at right now, 6,700. They view that as expensive, okay? And then there's another group of people who are starting to view 6,700 as cheap. If we can continue bouncing off 6,700 and people view that as cheap, then over time they're going to be much more likely to buy at 6,700. There's still some people that are like, well, it was sitting at 600 last month. I wanted to drop back down to that price before I get in. When they realize that's never going to happen, then it adds a whole new, a whole new group of buyers to the mix. Brad White, you're mad for selling AMC for Sheba? Guys, don't sell AMC for Sheba. Come on, we want the AMC Short Squeeze to take place. Is Sheba a good investment? I've been in since May. Lisandro, I think that Sheba is a good investment. I think it's going to go up longer term. I think it's risky, but I still think it's going to be good long term. I donate. A good job, Jason. Hopefully that's paying off for you. Where do you buy Kraken? What do you buy on Kraken? Is that what you're asking? You can download the Kraken app and use that exchange. Shiba pulling back a little bit right now. We got a little purple line on there, sitting at 66.58 right now, sitting at 66.58, potentially going to test support at 6,500. Honestly, if I can just pay off my Camaro, I'll be happy. Seth, any debt that you guys can pay off, you're going to be happy with that. You're going to want to pay off your debt for sure. Farmy's sitting at 33.44 today, trading sideways. Man, everybody loves a stock that never goes up, right? Just trade sideways. I got in at 26, then bought a few million at 68. I'm patient. I will continue to buy in on the dips, even if it is a little higher. Mick is so fine. Good deal, man. Good deal. I would condone a strategy like that. Maybe not necessarily going all in at once, but stair-stepping your way in when you're comfortable and with what you're comfortable. Where are the members? Anyone here? Any members in the chat right now? Guys, any green names? What's going on? Where are all you green names? Coin market cap, I believe you can find it there. Talking about Kraken. I find that Clay and Larry are the most straightforward guys. Thank you, Lewis. I still feel like SHIB may be a viral video. Stay blessed, bro. Lewis, thank you very much. Yeah, I think, and I'm going to be completely honest with everybody, okay? Sheba had such a run because everybody is excited about it right now. Everybody's talking about it, clearly evident, and, you know, it's just a lot of people piling all in at the same time that want to get their hands on it. That's what the excitement is right now, but if we stay and we continue to maintain these levels of support, if it continues to be listed on exchange after exchange, then it starts to legitimize in a way that they can put it out long term, okay? So that is, it may be all hype right now, and the hype may fade. But if the hype fades and the community and the base stays intact, it will absolutely just move from that viral status to something that is here long term. That's what I want to see happen. Relax. Enjoy the ride I am holding. Scott, very nice. Shiba, Spank Nanners. Oh, yes, been watching over 5 months. Just subscribe today. Better late than never. King Joey the 8th. Thank you very much for clicking that subscribe button, man. Really appreciate you. But a blue name would be nice. Just saying. Riptide Redemption, a blue name would be nice, man. I agree with you. Look at Yaniv Sarig for ATER and Nakeds on Twitter. Mr. Normus. I'm going to have to check that. I hope this dude didn't get me on a name, right? I don't think he got me. Is that the guy's actual name? I don't know the guy's actual name. Now I just wonder with Mr. Normus, because he would be one that would try to get me on a name. And I don't think that he did. I think that might be the guy's actual name. Is this true, or did he get me? Huh. Thanks to all the new subs. Yes, guys, if you're a brand new subscriber, please let me know you're a brand new subscriber. I want to shout your name out. I want to get to know everybody that's going to be hanging out with us in here. Thanks to all you, all the OBs in here. Heck yeah, all the OBs, let's go. Removing the hype is like taking the top block off in a game of Jenga. Doesn't do much if the base is a salad. Facts. Devil's Advocate is no hat, man. Devil's Advocate is no hat for sure. It's no hat, dog. That dude don't wear no hat. NF, yes, NF in the chat, man. Clay, Mods, what's up, fam? I've been here, been a while, sorry. Hope y'all are making a crap ton of money today. Jason, today's a good day, man. Holding in India, world, very nice. Not pulling you, I'm a new subscriber. Carlos, thank you for subscribing, really appreciate that. New subs, Ted, thank you very much. New here, Osei is new. Let's hear it. First time, my friend. Leslie or Para, thank you very much for being in here. Daniel is new subscriber here, sir. Mitsu Yanagi, thank you very much. Subscribe because of Shiba. Carlos, thank you. Subscribed 4 days ago or so. TNT Streamers, thank you very much. Jalin, yes, sir. Subscribe, thank you. Appreciate that. Jeffrey and Jeffrey Winslet. Jeff and Big Daddy. Oh, man, okay. Brand new. Arthas is brand new. C&J, new subscriber. What's up, man? What's going on, C&J? Vice City Boys got 8,000 in Shiba. Should I buy at least one Ethereum? If you want, Vice, I think Ethereum's going to be very good long term too. Jenga, yes, JB in the chat, new sub, Chasten, thank you. Leslie, hello. Samantha, new subscriber, I like it. Let's see what else we got here. Trapper in the house, baby. Pawn City is new here, very nice. I'm new here, bro. Christy Scorus, thank you very much for being in here. Dart, retracting messages. Oh no, new the past week. Michael, thank you very much for being in here. Santino is new. Thank you very much, Santino. Jalen is brand new. Kraken list in Sheba. Oh yes, Brad, just subscribed to. Lisandro, appreciate that. Rubens Freitas, and new here, brother. Rubens Freitas, thank you very much. Not pulling one on you this time. Opinion on it. Mr. Enormous, thank you very much for another super chat. Really appreciate that. I did not read the article, okay? Mr. Devil's Advocate tagged me in the tweet. So I'm gonna have to check that out post stream and read about it. Talking about naked shorts, okay? All naked shorts are illegal. So there's no such thing as a legal naked short. They are all illegal. So I'm going to have to read and kind of see what the discussion is surrounding the shares that are naked shorted on ATER before I form an opinion. So hopefully I'm able to do that during the break. I can get a little bit better of an understanding on it. But all naked shorts are illegal. All naked shorts should result in an FTD. So if they're talking about naked shorts that did not result in an FTD, I'm going to be a little bit confused and have to see what's going on with that. And thank you to everybody. Hello from Israel. Wow, hello from you. Awan is a new subscribe, and it's my birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Juan. Happy birthday to you. Juan, thank you for subscribing. Frank, new sub. Thank you very much. Yes, bro, he got you. Sparko, I don't know if he did. More Shiba incoming. Brad, let's see. What's happening with LRC? Frank here with you. Frank, glad to have you. I love discounts for the people's currency. Burn Sheba Army. Yes, man. Buying the dips. I love the attitude. New subscriber as well. Noah, thank you very much. New here, 2 from the UK. Very nice, Brendan. Glad to have you. Yo, Emerson, what's going on? Some are super illegal and some are mega illegal. Though, as per new filings this year, so I want to know which category these ones fall into. This ones in question fall into. Devil's Advocate. I would also like to know because you got legal, you got illegal, super illegal, and mega illegal. That's what we need to know. Are you also on a boat, bum? That's what we need to know. Are you also on a boat? Is Boat Bum on a boat? Let's see. Brad says it's on sale. Shiba going down. Shiba's pulling back a little bit right now. April, thank you very much for subscribing. Really appreciate that. What time is the Kraken update? I don't know. NB, there is a scheduled maintenance for around 6 p.m. Eastern time tonight from what I hear. Okay, I don't know if that's when they're going to be listing it, if it's going to be something else, or what the deal is. I do not know the exact time, but apparently there's scheduled maintenance for 6 p.m. tonight. Eastern. Let's see else what we got here. Happy birthday. Yes, Noah. What will happen if Kraken lists it? So, Will, I've actually got a video that I just posted before the live stream if you want a little bit more detail. I don't think that it's going to cause a really big drive up. I think that it just legitimizes Shiba Inu coin in a way that major exchanges are picking it up. I think that it just adds to the validity that Shiba Inu is real. It's going to be around, and people can trade it. As far as, like, you know, bringing a whole vast amount of people to the game, I don't think we're going to see that with Kraken. Hold Shiba, yes. Pulled boat out yesterday. Boat bum. Pulled it out of the water yesterday, man. It's getting cold out. It is getting cold out here in Ohio. I don't know if it's cold where you guys are at, but man, it's getting cold here in Ohio. New here, invested $100 into Shiba. How much could this manifest? Scotty Sanders, glad to have you. So, Scotty, if you go to a penny, you're still sitting on a, I think, 1,000% gain, or 1,000x gain. So you're looking at, you're looking at $100,000, I believe, if it goes to a penny from here. Because you're getting rid of 3 zeros. You're getting rid almost 3 zeros. It's going to be somewhere between there because you don't have, it might be 50,000 because you got about a doubling before we get to 3 zeros. So I would say about 50 grand if it goes all the way up to a penny. Let's see. I hope my 10,000 in Sheba shows interest. I say around 0.00008, maybe 8,500 range. Yeah, Emerson, once we get back into that area, people always get super excited when it's knocking on an all-time high. When it's knocking on the door of an all-time high, man. People just love that. Marine Corps Brat, we can always talk AMC. Absolutely, Marine Corps Brat, we will definitely talk AMC. Squid Game was tragic because it was obvious and it had zero connection with the show. Instant red flag. Yeah, I don't know if that, I mean, it's a red flag, but kind of every new cryptocurrency is a red flag, man. There's just risk involved with all of them. Shiba isn't going down. Look at the month. Come on, folks. Well, it's coming down over the last, I don't know, half hour. It's not a tragic decline, that's for sure. Cool, thanks, Scotty. Absolutely, man. Is it going to rise? I believe it will. That's why I have not sold yet, but I believe it will go up. And yes, Shiba is going down over the last half hour or so. I'm liking the Safe Moon Reflection idea. Passive income just for holding. Great idea. J Bones, man, appreciate you. Your positivity is undeniable. J Bones, dude. Your reliability is undeniable. J Bones, I'm glad to have you in here, man. You're amazing. Thank you very much for the members chat, J Bones. Guys, if you want to become a member, click the join button if you're on Android, or copy and paste the link in the description below. It is much easier to see the green names, especially with a lot of people in here. And green names get a member chat like that every month. You get a free member chat. Shows up just like a super chat would. And I really appreciate all of the support from everybody out here right now. Realistically, how many zeros will it knock off? S. Short term, I think we're gonna crack one more zero. Short term, okay? Maybe by the end of 2021, beginning of 2022. Longer term, I'm thinking, long term down the road, if all cryptocurrencies continue to rise in price, I think we're looking at a cent, okay? Really long term, if we don't drop a drastic amount of the supply. If we do drop a drastic amount of the supply, I don't think it's going to take as long to get to a penny. So I think that's kind of what you're looking at right now. No supply being dropped. Long term, a penny gives you a valuation around $4 trillion. Now, does it surpass Bitcoin? I don't think so. I think we're going to need a lot of the coins to rise in tandem if we expect to see that kind of valuation, and I don't see that happening anytime soon. I think it's long term. So I'm very optimistic about it, but we can speed up the process if we burn the supply. Clint, I'm still a white name. Why did you not change to green? Joe De Jesus, what do you mean? I see a green name. I got a green name here, man. Joe De Jesus, I got a green name for sure. Negativity not welcome. Stop the fun. There's a difference between being negative and being skeptical or something, guys. You guys are allowed to come in here nervous, asking questions, all that good stuff. It is a Q&A, talking about Sheba, talking about AMC, talking about all these things that are making us money. But, I mean, if you're going to be negative towards others, that doesn't get you anywhere in life. Sheba will not even get to the next zero this year. Automotive uploads. I think that it could. All you need is a few more people buying. That's all you need to get to another zero. I'm sure you didn't think that it was even going to go to 2,000 this year, and it certainly did. Omar says AMC only, baby. Yeah, definitely still have all my AMC shares. AMC doing very nicely today. $37.88 right now. Pulling back down a little bit from $38 a minute ago. And Prague running at $317 right now. Tesla down 4.5% on the day at $11.55. Sheba is sitting at $67.28. Claybro, do the Mario. Stack Ape Nation, I don't know if that's the Mario you were talking about, but thank you very much for the members chat, man. Android app doesn't show green names. Ooh. Well, Joan de Jesus, my friend, my Streamlabs app definitely shows the green names. You guys might only see the little icon, okay? Joan de Jesus, there's your answer right there. Android app doesn't show the green names. I definitely see the green names in my chat, though. That's the big difference. You got that little icon, and I guess it kind of sucks that it's white. I should really look at seeing if I can swap that icon out or if I kind of locked it in or what the deal is. But I think I should be able to change that icon if you guys want a different colored icon. But I see green names. Like, everybody that I see is a green name on a black background. Stands out, just real. About to house this sandwich. John Goldsmith, man, house that sandwich. You can see green on the web version, and I see green in my Streamlabs here. Prague is building up 39 million trades as of today. Rocket, buckle up, traders. Dude, let's do it, man. Prague is running a little bit right now, sitting at 322. Back up on the day, down 7%, but we are rolling right now. Let's go, man. I want to see $4 today. Sell it, sell it, sell it. So what, man? Jasmine back to $5 in the future, or no? I don't even know. Emerson, I don't know too much about Jasmine, so maybe. I really don't know. Sell so I can buy cheaper. Scott says, let me get a discount. Come on now. Clay, what are your thoughts on the MACD on the daily chart? Seems to mirror the tightening in the wedge. I don't know much about MACD. So yeah, it would definitely mirror the tightening in the wedge. We can go look at that real quick. But a MACD is basically just a moving average convergence and divergence. The more volatile or the more momentum the stock price has as it's moving, the higher your histogram is going to be in your MACD. The more it's going to move. So as a stock consolidates, the less you're going to see the MACD moving. And if we put this on the chart real quick, hopefully we can pull it up. So as the moving averages are moving up and converging away from each other, you get this rise in MACDs, okay? As they cross below each other, I don't even know what these are here. I don't know what 12 and 26 period is what I think I got come standard on Webull right here. As the 12 and 26 period moving averages converge and diverge, and one rises above the other one, that's how you get the histogram to go positive or negative. So as it falls down below here, that's when the histogram turns negative. And as it's coming back, so as it becomes less and less volatile with these moves, see right here, if you're way out here, you're swinging up, you're swinging way down, okay? That's why your histogram can go way up here, way down, and you can see that it's starting to just kind of like tread this line, okay? And it's just really tightening up, and you might even just barely see, you might only see lines like this, like these last two here, over the next month maybe. Mid-December or mid-November is what I got. I don't even know what month it is right now. Mid-November, maybe out to 11/17 here. We may see a very tight MACD in both directions until we finally are able to break out of this wedge. Okay? Now, if we continue to stay in the bottom part of the bull flag, we might have the same deal going through January. But it makes perfect sense that as you're narrowing down into a wedge and you're becoming less volatile and more condensed, the MACD is going to mirror that right there because it shows you the moving average convergence and divergence. And of course, if you got less room to go up and less room to go down, your moving averages aren't going to be moving as much, and you're going to tighten up until you just boom up or pew down. One of them's going to happen. It doesn't necessarily mean when you come to a wedge like this that it's going to pop to the upside. It will break out, but it doesn't mean in which direction. Hopefully it goes up, right? We can all hope that it goes up. Let's see. Can you possibly pull the Jasmine? Is Jasmine a stock or is Jasmine a crypto? I cannot pull it up if it's a crypto because I know that's not listed on Webull. Oh, it's a stock. We can look at it. 88 will explode soon. What is Cardano sitting at? I wanted to buy some Cardano at under $2, but I don't even know what it's at right now. I would love to add some Cardano to my portfolio, but I don't have any right now. Mr. Simon is mine now. I'm jealous. Pancakes. Mr. Simon won the wrench for the day. You can win the wrench in the afternoon. Pancakes. All you gotta do is be the first one in the chat, and you win a wrench. All you gotta do is be the first one to comment on one of the videos in the evening. You win a wrench. All you gotta do is be the first one, or all you gotta do is be lucky and win a wrench while we're spamming in the chat. Guys, I got Clay to talk about AMC for a solid 2 minutes. Boom! You're welcome. Hey, guys, you know that I'm not like avoiding talking about AMC or anything. Like legitimately, these live streams are about asking questions, getting answers. It's all financial entertainment. I can't help it if you learn something. Okay, that's not my job. I'm not gonna sit here and educate you. And I'm not. Education turns dangerous because then you say, "Well, I learned that from Clay Bro. I learned something from a guy on the internet about investing, and then I made a decision." Nope, I can't help it if you learn something. That's not the goal here. It's financial entertainment. And whatever you do with that entertainment, that's up to you, man. That's on you. We can sit here and have fun all day. Are you guys entertained? Is anybody not entertained right now? If you're not, I'm not doing my job. Jazzy has a coin. It's on. Okay. So I can't do it just now. I really need to look at either finishing building a desktop or getting a new laptop to stream with because this I can't handle going out and pulling up multiple websites and I just lag out and then I disconnect Streamlabs and it's not good. Monica T, thank you very much for the super chat. Saito is the next Ethereum killer, fastest blockchain out there. Guys, make sure to check out Saito. Know nothing about it, but Monica wants to bring it to your attention. Monica, thank you very much. Really appreciate the super chat. And, Shiba going on a little run right now. Guys, go check out Saito. Saito. Hopefully I'm saying it right. Hopefully I'm saying Saito right. Sheba going on a little run, sitting at 68.35 now, bouncing off that 6,600 level. Shoot, man, are we gonna trade in a channel, or are we gonna roll to the upside with Shiba Inu Coin? Are people getting excited about the Kraken listing right now, or what's going on? I like your entertainment, Clay. 11 for Simon, good deal. Glad you do. If you learned something, it's up to you. If you don't learn anything, at least you had a good day. You deserve it. Marine Corps brat deserves everything. What is this, man? Scam calling me. Stop calling. Let's see here. Don't hit me, Marine Corps brat. I'm so new here. What's a wrench? Bud, the wrenches, man, are moderators on the channel. They can delete messages if messages don't show up because they're full of emojis or they got some bad words in them. Then moderators can let those flow through to the chat. If somebody's acting crazy, they can ban somebody from ever talking again. They can put you in timeout. You got a lot of power when it comes to the chat. You are our professor. I mean, entertainer. Yes. Entertainer, man. Guys, remember, okay? This is financial entertainment. I'm an entertainer. You guys are adults. That makes me an adult entertainer. Exactly. Hey, Clay, bro. What's up, Alex? Hey, bro. What do you think? How much Shiba will go down before they take a huge pump? Skywalker. So it's impossible to say. But if you look at support lines, we have support at 65. We have support at 6,000. We have support basically at every 500-point level, all the way back down to 2,500. I personally don't think it's going to go back down to 2,500. You'd have to be very optimistic about buying a dip back down to 2,500 or get really lucky on some crazy news and have a buy order set up that just got filled. But you know, you look at those levels of support and kind of determine, well, okay, if it busts through this, it could test this. If it breaks through this, it could test this, and so on. California, San Bernardino, very nice. Mickey, any comments on Saitama? No comments on Saitama. I hope you don't have any sensitive wrenches out there. Muhammad, there are some sensitive wrenches out there. I don't think any are in the chat right now, but there's sensitive wrenches out there, especially if you talk crap about one of them. We are basically those dudes at a wedding you will tell you what side to sit on and throw you out if you misbehave. Yeah, dude, those dudes. Those are those dudes, man. I'm an adult. Yeah, Lonely Island, baby. I'm an adult. Just now back, even though we about to break, phone is at 30%. Chris, you gotta charge the phone during the lunch break, man. You gotta charge the phone during the lunch break and make sure you come back at 3. Mickey, you're not far from Pam. Everybody's just neighbors in here. Nobody lives in Ohio, though. Lunch over. Ghostros. Jason, lunch is not over, man. We got 13 minutes before lunch even starts. Or 17 minutes before lunch even starts. AMC really about to end red. No, AMC is not going to end red today. AMC is going to end above $38 per share today. Yak Marine is back. Very nice, Yak. Glad to have you back, Yak. Much love from Arizona. 520 Wildcat. Much love from Ohio, man. I'm pretending to adult. Nice, Mickey So Fine. I think that's what, I think that's what we all do. I look at my mom and my dad sometimes and I'm like, you know what? I think they're just pretending to be adults. Because they're adults your entire life, right? Like, you look at them, you're like, they're adults. They've been adults my entire life. But it's kind of like, well, no. They're just going through it. Kind of like I am. I live in Ohio. Denise lives in Ohio. Very nice, Denise. You might live next to me. You never know. We could be neighbors. Guys, is there anybody in here that lives in Ohio that could potentially be my neighbor, like Denise? I'm from the UK, bro. AB Travels, very nice. We got a lot of people from the UK in here, actually. Riverside, SoCali in the house. Nice. Cavilo, Columbus, OHIO, Tony. Happy Diwali from India. Thank you very much, Satima Kumar. Really appreciate that. Happy Diwali to you. Liking that recovery on SHIB. Me too, Shimo. Me too. It's looking nice as it's bouncing up. Julie Miller says, yes, could be me. I could be your neighbor. Very nice, Julie. We probably are neighbors, Julie. Love from the crypto capital, Puerto Rico. Very nice, dude. Very nice. We don't have too many viewers from Puerto Rico in here. Shakira endorses Sheba. Sheba, Sheba. Heck yeah. I live in Cleveland. Francesco, very nice. Ireland in the house. Sacramento, California, West Coast. Potentially, if the lady next door ever moves. Yeah, I could potentially be your neighbor if that lady next door ever moves. Come on, 700 people in the Oh my goodness, guys. Take 2 seconds to click the like button. Take 2 seconds. Here. He said 200 likes in here. If you guys just take 2 seconds to click the like button, I'm going to wrench somebody right now. If we get over 400, if 200 of you click the like button, I'll just give somebody else a wrench right now. But 200 of you have to go out and click the like button. Sheba Doom. Sheba ain't doomed. Come on now. Sheba Boom. Sheba Doom. Sheba Boom. Noisy. I like it. Shib Boom is better than a Shib Doom. Oklahoma. Chris, you can take a 2-week nap while we tighten. Yes, you could, man. Into that wedge. You could definitely take a 2-week nap. I think it was like November 17th was my wedge. Goes out to November 17th. San Diego, bro. Very nice, Nigel. I like that. Sheba. What? Sheba's not a toilet, man. Come on now. I hit the like. Thank you very much. What? Immortan Joe. I like it. Anybody else click the like button? Because if you did, and we get over 400, like, let us know. Get the likes to 400. LFG. Yeah. Cookie in the house. What's up, Cookie? How you doing? 330. Guys, say you click the like button, and I'm gonna wrench somebody out there. That's if we get to 400, I'm gonna wrench somebody right now. That's a double giveaway in this live stream for a wrench. I mean, it only lasts a day, but you still got to wrench the whole day. Joseph just subscribed. Thank you very much, Joseph. Really appreciate that. John says, Jay, what part of Ireland are you from? Brittany liked. Red, thank you, liked. Let's buy it. Let's go. I would not fly by. It would fly by tonight. Loabe, could it? Yeah, I liked. Very good. Everyone go like it. Yep, 350. We got 350. Everyone's clicking like button. All right, let's see. Hey, Clay Gang, I hit that like button. How about you, Cookie? Thank you very much for clicking that like button. Oh my goodness, I need that wrench. Everyone go like 50 more likes, guys. 50 more likes, and we got another wrench. You get for the whole afternoon on the videos in the evening. You can literally go through. If you guys want to use the crap out of your wrench, you can go through all of those spam WhatsApp things that people post on my videos. I honestly do not care if you guys go through and delete every single one of those spam things. If you want to really use your wrench, you can absolutely do that. You can absolutely do that if you want. Don't delete regular comments. Please, be a normal person when it comes to having a wrench. But, if you want to delete those guys that put their WhatsApp number on all the videos, go do it. Did y'all buy the dip? I did not buy the dip today. Who wants a wrench? Have it. Here, take it. No, Simon, you can't get Simon's wrench. Come on, I like 2 times. No, Red, don't like 2 times. Only like 1 time, man. Did we get to 400? 382. Guys, 382. I want to give somebody a wrench right now. What are you doing? Just click the like button. How hard is that? Why is Cisbro not being consulted on the free merge giveaway? I actually have her cricket machine at my house right now. That's why she's not being consulted. I stole her cricket machine. How much will 8K make me if it erased 1-0? If it just erased to 0, you would basically double your money from this point. So 1-0, you double your money. 8K turns into about 15,000. I know that's not doubling 8,000, but it's not a full double because you're sitting at 6,800 right now. So it'll probably be about 14,000. Let's see. Shamar, I want to wrench. Sheep Talk, 3 p.m. Yes, I want to wrench. Sheba's exploding. Sheba's moving up right now. Let's get this bad boy back on the chart. Consolidate it. Yes. Go. 400. All right, 400. Let's go. You click the like button. Keep the spam going for 1 minute. We're going to get these... chats rolling here. Give me 2 seconds to reload the YouTube chat. And bad boy going with a little wrench giveaway. So keep it going. YouTube is refreshing at the moment. And let's see. Tell me you want a wrench and you got a wrench. Tell me you want a wrench and you got a wrench. YouTube starts rolling. We're going to give away a free wrench for the rest of the day. And it is going to go to, let's see, who's got it? I don't know who that is, but you got a free wrench for the day. Very nice. We'll find out who won. Who's got the blue name? I don't even know who's got the blue name now. You can test it. You might be a moderator. Still don't see a blue name in there. Somebody got it, though. Marine Corps Brat won it. Oh, my gosh. Marine Corps Brat, congratulations. You got a wrench at the end of the day. How do you even get that lucky? My goodness. I don't even know how you get that lucky. That's ridiculous. All right, you guys can stop spamming. Okay, it's rigged. I'm bored. I'm on board. No, I promise it's not rigged. I promise I did not see that. I really feel like Marine Corps Brat got lucky on that one. Yeah, Marine Corps Brat got the wrench. That's ridiculous. I took a wrench away from her this morning, and now she's got another one like that. I want a wrench. You got a wrench for the rest of the day. You better be first on the video tonight, or first. Guys, if you're first one to comment in the live stream, at the 3 p.m. live stream, then you also get a wrench, okay? It was rigged. It was rigged. Mr. Simon, I feel like it was rigged too, but I promise it wasn't. Wrench me now. Wrench me now. Marine Corps Grats. Love. Yes. Cookie. Cookie, thank you for being in here. You need to come back in here more often. Please. Like, are you going to make me beg in front of 700 people? Please, just spend more time with us in here. My goodness. I can't believe I have to ask like that in front of 700 people. Just like, please, just spend more time in here. Wrench me a long time. Tony, I can wrench you for at least 24 hours. I mean, that's plain and simple, man. I can wrench you for at least a day. YouTube rigged. It's not you. I know, Devil's Advocate. It must be. It's just like it froze on Marine Corps Brat's message or something. And Simon says, mine was not rigged. But Marine Corps Brat's was definitely rigged. What's a wrench? Katrina, a wrench makes you a moderator on the channel. So you're able to go out there and it's basically like you got a behind-the-scenes pass. You can see the comments that don't get sent through. You can decide to send them through if you want. You can delete comments. You can ban people from the chat and so on. Natasha! Like, see, Natasha was spamming there, and then somebody deleted those, put her in timeout, deleted those comments. 700 people only put her likes. Come on, people, the Hudsons. We went for it, man. We went for it. I don't know why people are afraid to click the like button. Guys, clicking the like button is literally like calling up your manager and saying, hey, this person is doing a good job. And it's difficult to call up a manager and spend time doing that, but for you, it literally takes 2 seconds to click the like button. I love my Claybro home. Claybro, will you wrench me for the whole day? Then I'll come back. Cookie, I will wrench you for much longer than a day. I mean, you've been sitting on a wrench for a long time now. I have no problem wrenching you for much more than a day. Give me a wrench. Golden wants a wrench. Katrina, yes, Katrina. It is fun. It is fun to give, especially giving wrenches away for, for a day. 3 p.m. Kraken listing Sheba. Correct. John, quick, man. I do not have confirmation on when they're listing it. Okay, it is not rigged this time. Marine Corps Brat, I feel like it was rigged. I don't know how you won when you just lost your wrench. Love you all. Pam Cakes, love you too. Glad you're in here. Just hit the like, guys. Thank you very much. Like and share. Oh, man, if you guys share the live stream, that's where it's at. I can't believe the people that share. Avis is the was Avis the squeeze, or was Avis just earnings expectations being beaten? Release the Kraken. Release the Sheba on Kraken. We need a huge pump, Sheba Army. Let's get it. That sounded wrong. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why it would have sounded wrong. It sounded good to me. He'll wrench you all day. Yeah, I will. If anybody, like, the wrenches are done for this live stream, but next live stream, I will wrench you all day. Nice. I like the forward chart we will set up. Thank you very much, Chipmancy. Really appreciate that. And I know the bottom right chart's kind of hard to see, but you can still see what the ticker's doing down there, I hope. Throw a wrench to an Aussie bloke, even though we call it a spanner. You Aussies and the British call it a spanner. Doesn't even make sense. I mean, kind of it does, because it spans apart, but wrench, for sure, man. For sure it's a wrench. Where's the pump incoming? Pump that Tucker up. We are going to pump it up. A whale is about to buy. Golden Reaper, are you about to buy? The likes help get more eyes on the stocks and 100% true. AMC Trapper. If you guys click the like button, I don't know the algorithm, right? But it tells YouTube that you like the content. YouTube says, oh, that's actually a very high like ratio. We're going to recommend this to more people. Then more people see Sheba and Prog and AMC and all of the stocks that we're talking about and cryptos that we're talking about in here. And then with those new eyes on board, they may decide to go out and buy some AMC, some Sheba and Prog and so on. And it really just helps our cause. Clearly I think the more people the better, but it's up to you guys. I can't click the like button, so. Oh, are we doing a competition to see who comments first in the live today at 3 p.m.? Bet. Cookie, yes, we do that every day now. If you are the first to comment, and it may be at 3:15, right? Depends on what I'm doing with the video and how I can get the video uploaded and stuff. Maybe at 3:15. But if you're the first to comment in a live stream, you win a wrench. If you're the first to comment, if by some miracle you beat JB commenting on the videos at 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern, then you also get a wrench for the entire following day. So you want to make sure that you're first. First always gets rewarded here. We mooning yet? Gatsby of Houston. I don't see anything currently on its rocket ship to the moon, but we are doing very well on everything right now. Sir, what do you think about Ripple? Any chance to win the lawsuit? Yeah, I think it's, and I thought they settled. Are they suing somebody else right now? Are you talking about with the SEC? LFG, AMC, and Sheba. AMC, my real initials. AMC is your real initials? Nice! I like it. Whoever beats me, I'm following on Twitter. JB, you're on, brother. There's no way you beat JB. Like, JB is a fiend, man. JB is a fiend when it comes to the 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. videos. I swear to you, JB lives like 3 or 4 seconds in the future, and there's like no other explanation as to how that dude is so fast. But there you go. Cookie says anybody, and you want Cookie to follow you on Twitter, trust me. Anybody that beats Cookie this afternoon is getting a follow on Twitter. Nice, Cookie. Thank you very much. Nice, Mr. Simon. Oh yes. Stone Cold Steve Austin says. Give me a heck yeah. Well, heck yeah, man. Oh, yes. Hey, Clever, I have a question on AMC. Absolutely, Cast Trady Vlogs. When it was on 44.20, you were super optimistic only 2 weeks ago. I invested over $60,000 without permission of my wife, and now it's at 37. Where's the rest of that? Cass, where's the rest of that? What is it, 44.20? 2 weeks ago, optimistic. I'm still optimistic, man. I'm still optimistic. No problems there. I'm optimistic because the shorts have not covered, okay? The shorts needing to go out and cover are what's going to drive the price higher when the short squeeze occurs. It's not the fact that we're going to have retail buyers. It's not the fact that we're going to have FOMO buyers. It's the simple fact that we have guaranteed buyers in the short squeeze from those short shares that are outstanding. And Victor says, let's see a little bit of a lick and stick banana. Victor, thank you very much for the banana. I really appreciate that. Victor, and then this is the lick and stick. You got the banana right here. Lick and stick technique, man. Tilt the head back a little bit, lick, and then stick. Thank you very much, Victor, for the banana. Really appreciate that, man. Everybody needs a little potassium. Oh, yeah, well, anyone who beats me tonight will make me look at your name and think, nice. So that's the real championship ring you want right there, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, facts, though. If you beat if you beat Devil's Advocate tonight, it's definitely going to look at your name and say, ha, nice. Claybro, Chris asked a question about this Friday. Friday, gonna get down on Friday. What did Chris say? I just see myself out. It's my stupid regular gray name color continues to go unannounced. You get a green name, dude. Chris said, dang, where's this question about Friday? Clay! Tell people to quit spamming so I can get my question answered. What's the deal with AMC this Friday? Everyone's talking about. Chris, dang, dude, I'm going to be completely honest. I have no idea what they're talking about on Friday. Earnings are being released on Monday. That is the only thing on my radar for AMC right now. There could be a movie release possibly on Friday, but I would be speculating at best, man, if I was to guess what's going to happen on Friday. AMC earnings are to be released on Monday, at least the last that I saw. So that is the only news I've got on my radar as far as what's happening with AMC in the next week. Who knew all I needed to make my day better was Clay eating an imaginary banana cookie? Who knew all I needed to make my day better was you? I mean, me. I kind of knew that, but now everybody else does, too. Devil's Advocate only stocks on, chicks on. Dude, Mr. Simon, what are you going to do, man? Devil's Advocate saw that. Just subscribes, bro. Thank you very much, Doman Pevich. Really appreciate that. Guess she's upset right now. Hold on, and you will see, and you will wait for it. But all the actions are based off your own decision. Yes, DD214, definitely. And during the short squeeze, man, we should all expect prices higher than $40 per share. I mean, unless, like, Unless everybody just gave up, which I don't see happening, then that would be pathetic. How do you feel about Bitcoin performing so well despite a whole week of failed predictions by analysts and experts? And Morton Joe, I think that analysts and experts are just guessers. Not even good guessers, dude. I think they're just guessers. I'm still listening, even though I'm gone. Yeah, definitely Pancakes. Pancakes is never gone. Crypto Rocketeer, boom. All right, guys, listen, it is 1 p.m. We will be back in about 2 hours. Make sure to check back. First person to comment in the live stream when it gets listed at about 3 p.m. is going to get a wrench for the rest of the day. 1 o'clock right now. We're going to take a little bit of a lunch break, give you guys time to go check out other people on YouTube, do a little work. If you got to do a little work, whatever your deal is, we will be coming back. Make sure to check out the video that I posted earlier. I don't know if I'll post one in between the live streams or not, but definitely got 2 videos tonight. And get your name in the chat right now if you want to shout out, and then we'll be back in a couple hours, 5 hours time. Very nice, Scott. Devil's Advocate, shout out to you. Nick F, I'll see you later, man. Chipman Z. Victor says a little dip and shove action. You take that hot dog and you dip it, man. You take that hot dog and you dip it in your favorite dip, and then you take it and you shove it, man. Oh, yeah, Victor, thank you very much for the dip and shove on the hot dog there. Really appreciate you. Thanks, Clay. James, thank you very much for being in here. We got a shout out to Devil's Advocate, Pancakes, 11 Mr. Simon, Chris, man, shout out to you. I missed the Team iPhone, oh no. AMC Trevor says, peace out to all the diamond-handed apes. Victor says, what would this meal be without a complete balance? You take the salt shaker, you pour the salt shaker out, dude. You throw it over your shoulder for good luck, and then just because salt tastes so good, dude, you gotta keep it closer to your mouth or it gets in your eyes. Thank you very much, Victor. Really appreciate all of your super chats today. See you then, broski. Dr. IADDP, thank you very much. I'll see you at 3 o'clock. Aloha, Mr. Normus. See you a little bit later. Give the wrench to your viewer. Don't give them to me. Give them a chance to have some fun or wrenching. Definitely Pancakes. AMC, GME, all the way, Marine Corps brat. Swallow that salt. Sometimes, man, sometimes it just melts on your tongue. Aloha, Mr. Normus. Definitely, Victor says, I like it, man. Stacks Ape Nation, peace out to you. Cookie, I will definitely see you a little bit later. Benny, enjoy the rest of your afternoon. The Hudsons, love you, family. You're hilarious. See you, Chris. I'll see you later. Army Becky, enjoy your afternoon. All right, guys, you know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me,